Hey there, before I begin the video, I would like to tell you that if you don't know what is GitHub and how it works, then maybe this video is not for you. Because this video is for someone who is active enough on GitHub. But if you still want to watch, then you are more than welcome to. Also, I want to thank our new member who joined the YouTube membership recently. I really appreciate that. Anyway, let me tell you that what we are going to do in this video. Basically, I will introduce you guys to a package which will allow you to get the GitHub feeds easily. You can send that feed anywhere you want, but I will show you how to do this on Discord. So now let's get started with the intro. I know you guys must be wondering because there is something like this exists and available by GitHub himself. But you will have to add your Discord webhook URL to each repository manually, which is a lot of work if you ask me. But there is another way to achieve this, which is to use GitHub API. You could just use their API and monitor your all repository event, and whenever it gets new event, just send message on Discord. Isn't it sound simple? With that simplicity, there is a package with name GitCord which do all of this for you. All you need to do is listen to the event and perform your action whenever event is emitted. So let's test this package out. I'm going to use VSC to test this package, but you can use any of your favorite IDE you want. So I will go ahead and do npm initiate -y to create default package.json file, then run the npm I gitcord to install the package. Gonna create my main file with name index.js. I will just go and copy the example from the website. Now I will put my testing account username. It's a GitHub username, so don't be dumb enough to put your Discord username. Now add an array of your repository name. There is other ways to do this also, but let's try this one first. Now whenever event is emitted, I want it to log in console. Let's run it using node index.js or node. Now let's comment on issue of repository and check if it works or not. As you can see, it logged details about the comment I made. Okay, why not we try another method to achieve the same thing? You can simply use subscribe method to subscribe one or more repository of which you want feed to be sent. Okay, I added 2 repository, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to comment on both repository. As you can see, it logged details related to both repository. There is another method which is used to unsubscribe the repository. You could use this method to unsubscribe the repository that you subscribed earlier. Anyway, let's create a Discord bot which will send all the details related to repository in a single channel. This time we will use another way which will monitor all the repository on your own. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Put your username. By the way, you will need a token this time. I mean the GitHub token. Otherwise it will throw the error. This is because GitHub only allows 60 requests per hour without token. But with token you get 5000 requests per hour, which are enough for this. We will just send message in Discord channel whenever event is emitted. Now it's time to fill up the credentials. To get GitHub token, you will have to go to in settings, then developer settings, then personal access, then generate token and copy it. I will just create a new channel for GitHub looks. Before we run the code, let's install discord.gist package, and once it's installed, run the code with node dot. Our bot is online. Now let's comment on an issue to test if it's working or not. As you can see, it's working nice and fine. And with this, I want to end this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video and learned something from it. In last, I would say that it's not necessary to use this package. I created this package for myself and wanted to help others also. But you can also create your own script which will enhance your coding skill. Your skill won't be enhanced if you just use package for every single thing. If you think this is easy enough for you and don't want to waste your time, then it's okay not to waste your time on it. But yeah, you should try exploring things and learn new stuff. If you get error, then don't lose your hope, because Bert Rutan once said that testing leads to failure and failure leads to understanding.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too